In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a year-to-year report in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation bar and head to the Reports section. This is where QuickBooks stores all of the standard and custom reports you'll use to review your business performance. On the Reports page, we're going to open a standard report. For a clear year-over-year snapshot of your company's performance, choose the Profit and Loss report. You'll typically find it near the top under Standard Reports. Click Profit and Loss to open it. When the report loads, take a look toward the top left area of the report window. You'll see the report period control. This sets the date range that the report uses. Click the drop-down to open your preset options. From that list, select This Year. QuickBooks will immediately refresh the report using the full current year. After selecting this year, the report period will show a range that runs from January through December for the current year. For example, if you're working in 2026, you'll see January through December 2026 reflected at the top of the report and throughout the data shown. This gives you a complete year-to-date view in one place. If your fiscal year is the calendar year, this aligns perfectly. If your fiscal year is different, QuickBooks will still apply the This Year setting based on your company file setup. Take a moment to scan the report and confirm it looks right. Revenue, expenses, and net income totals should all fall within the year you selected. This quick review helps catch any obvious date filters that might have been left over from a previous session. When you're ready to print, move to the top of the report and click the printer icon. This opens your printing options so you can take the report from screen to paper. For a straightforward, immediate output, choose Print for a quick print. This sends the report to your default printer using standard settings. Depending on your browser and device, you may see a brief print preview. If you do, simply confirm the printer and hit Print. If you don't see a preview, QuickBooks will send it directly to your printer. That's all there is to it. You've opened the Profit and Loss report, set the report period to this year so it spans January through December, and printed it using the Quick Print option. Keep this workflow handy anytime you need a clean year-to-year snapshot for meetings, audits, or your monthly close.